Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have files in kilobytes and want a single megabyte level package. Start now. Open your compression tool and point it at the folder with all KB files. Choose a format that yields MB-sized archives. Zip or 7Z typically produce smaller MB outputs. Set compression level to balance speed and size. Use fast for quicker runs or max when you need tighter packing. Also set split volume size if you want each archive chunk to be a specific MB value. Once configured, fine-tune advanced settings so compression yields the MB outcome you need. Increase dictionary size and enable solid compression to make small KB files pack more efficiently into MB containers. That reduces metadata overhead. If you have many CPU cores, enable multithreading to speed up processing. Set a split volume size in MB when creating multiple MB files, otherwise create one archive. Then start compression and monitor progress. Pause or cancel if disk or CPU spikes indicate something off. After compression completes, immediately verify outcomes. Check each archive's MB size and run an integrity test or full extraction to confirm files open correctly. If archives are still too large, recombine small files into containers before compressing or change to a stronger algorithm like 7Z with larger dictionary. If too small or slow, lower compression level. Make sure to keep original files until verification finishes. Troubleshooting tip. If corrupted archives appear, rerun with no splitting and test again to isolate the problematic file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.